Yesterday we opened right on the full session MC point of control. This resulted in lower than average volume participation day and lots of rotations before actually breaking higher. In the electronic session, price gapped higher. 1562.9 remains a level that's been tested a number of times. We got to that basically and tagged it almost a tick before failing in the overnight session. We're in a multi-day session balance area and we are looking for direction. Right now there's a lot of balancing. Yesterday's profile is a perfect bell with the point of control neutrally positioned. Overnight is multimodal, searching for value. Point of control is low in the profile, below the MC point of control 55.8. Weekly, there's a substantial amount of volume put in at 55.8. It's clearly the weekly point of control for the last 2 weeks, and that can't be ignored. The next expected behavior is a long move away from it, and a test of 62. That happened. If that gives up, then I'd expect a test of 79. We didn't. It failed. However, if price rejects, I expect another test of 55.8. A bounce. That happened. But if that doesn't hold, then I expect a test of 52, 48, and 43. Test 52 happened. And we bounce back to the point of control and are now back below it. So the next thing that we're looking to see is test of 48, 43, depending on who shows up in this RTH session. So current price indicates that it looks as though there was a negative reaction to Chinese coronavirus. GC gold dropped $4, bounced back to the scene of crime, and then continued lower. More likely that was the bounce off of, that was the failure at 62, bounce off point of control and continuation lower. We're likely to be opening in the lower KLVN of the MC, so there's the expected behavior is a test of the point of control and failure, which actually already happened in the overnight session. So another test potentially could be the same thing, or it could be continuation higher. So, or continue lower to 52 again, 48 and 43 for the first time in this session before finding buyers again. The MC point of control finally moved up to 55.9 in the RTH session, and that's above the current overnight point of control at 53.5. The former developing point of control is 56.6. So we're seeing a clear movement of value down above the, and that is above the overnight. Basically did the MC point of control finally moved up to 55.9. The current overnight VPOC is 53.5. VPOC is 56.6. Above that, the overnight basically did the above action, I see, and appears to be struggling to continue lower. So we'll monitor for continuation. So that's basically it. What we're looking at in the plans is that we're in the key LVN area. So basically, since we're right here, we're expecting us to test up and then fail down, or just fail down, or buy up through, hit this, and get up. Basically get up to this area. So those are the three main ideas that we're looking for today. That's it.